Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make Nigerian chicken stew. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support, and if you're new here, you're welcome. I made use of soft chicken in this recipe. The chicken is already washed. I seasoned with curry, thyme, rosemary leaf, onion, salt, seasoning cube, bay leaf, ginger and garlic. All the ingredients I use in making this recipe will be in the description box. Do wait to check it out. To get a flavorful chicken, I did not add water to my chicken. I mixed and I allowed it to cook in its own juice before adding water to the chicken for it to cook properly. So these are the base for the stew. I made use of tomato, scotch bonnet pepper. I made use of red chili peppers, also known as BAWA, onion. The BAWA is going to make the stew to have this rich red vibrant color. Ensure to deseed the BAWA so as to prevent your stew from being bitter. The chicken has been cooked in its own fluid, so I went ahead to add water to properly cook the chicken. This actually makes the chicken to be tastier. I like thick stew. I diced my tomato, then I boiled it so that the water can be released from the tomato. Then I drained, then I went ahead to blend it so as to get a thick consistency in my pepper tomato mixture. And to save me time from blending and boiling the tomato to reduce the liquid before going ahead to fry the stew. The chicken is properly cooked. I separated the chicken from the stock by passing it through a sieve. So I fried my chicken. You can decide to chew your chicken. You can decide to leave it in the stew without frying, just boiling it. Make sure to allow the chicken to drain out the stock completely before going ahead to fry, so as to prevent the oil from splashing on you while frying. I fried the chicken until it's golden brown. Ensure not to over fry because it's not going to be juicy. I flipped to both sides so that it can be properly fried. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe, share, like and leave me a comment. Here's the final result of the chicken. In the clean heated pot, I added the oil I use in frying the chicken to make my stew. Allow it to heat up, added salt and added onion. Allow it to saute into the oil before going ahead to add my pepper, tomato, BAWA, onion mixture to the oil. There are still some leftover tomato mixture in the blender, so I whisked the blender using some of the chicken stock. Allow the tomato mixture to fry in the oil for some time. I did not cover the pot completely because I do not want water to be in it. So after doing that, I added my curry, thyme, rosemary leaf, mixed properly so that everything can be well combined. Then I went ahead to add in more chicken stock, but I ensured that the chicken stock is not too much. I saved the remaining for other recipes. If you want to save your chicken stock, ensure to save it in the freezer, not fridge. If it is left in the fridge, it is going to go rancid. After adding the chicken stock, I adjusted the taste by adding salt and seasoning cube so as to get the taste I required. I covered the pot halfway through and allow it to fry. After frying, I uncovered the pot. Then I went ahead to add in my fried chicken to my stew base. I covered the pot halfway through again, and I allowed the chicken to infuse the stew into it. What consistency of stew do you like? Do you like your stew light or thick, or thicker than mine? How do you like your stew consistency to be? The stew is ready and it came out so delicious. The aroma was all over my kitchen and the chicken really infused the stew. The BAWA did a very great job in enhancing the color of the stew. I paired the chicken stew with white rice. What do you like pairing your stew with? You can use stew to eat swallow by adding okra to it. You can use it to eat bread. So let me know your preference. Drop it in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. I really appreciate. Thank you. It is free to subscribe. On this channel, I share kitchen hacks, cooking tips, and recipes. Please share the video with your friends and families. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.